What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we know about the Ferrari F40. If you're any kind of car enthusiast, you know how big of an icon that famous Ferrari was. Well, one could argue that that V8 power coupe is one of the best supercars ever produced. But the F40's discontinuation in 1992 had marked the end of an era because in 95 the F50 came and then the Enzo later down the line in 2002. But with that said, one could always wonder what an F40 replacement, and that sounds like blasphemy to even say a replacement for the F40, but what a modern day F40 would look like in the form of a modern day supercar. Now, with that said, Paul Breschke has taken something called the Ferrari F42, all right? And he said this took him 7 months to create this virtual rendition of the Ferrari F40 Descendant. And the end result is crazy. Look at this thing. Drawing inspiration not only took from the iconic F40, but also multiple Ferrari models. Now this concept has a sleek front fascia highlighted by slim LED headlights, multiple vents, and carbon fiber trim pieces with a lower diffuser and body colored accents. Now with this F42 concept, there's obvious nods to the F40 in the concept's DNA. You do see the wild rear wing. I mean, look at that. That's definitely F40 inspired. Even the directional wheels look futuristic like F40 spokes would today. But with that said, you also have the ties to the modern day P80C race car in the F8 Tribito. Now with that said, you have features like the vented hood and the pointed nose piece that will take inspiration from those cars. You have the side profile that even shares some characteristics with the icons like the LaFerrari and the Enzo. Now sadly, this is probably the closest we'll ever see to getting a modern day Ferrari F40, because obviously Ferrari has no plans messing with the legend, all right, and bringing back a new F40 with that nameplate. But at least the company promises 2 new sports cars. We're not exactly sure if that's going to be moved back. We do have a pandemic going on, and the Sangue SUV is supposed to debut in 2021 with a new hypercar in 2022. So we will see exactly what Ferrari's plans are. I know there's no big rush as we want to all come back safely and have a great rest of the 2020, as great as we can. But that's an impressive lineup already. Ferrari's first SUV, all right, and a new hypercar for 2020. It's going to be an exciting year for Ferrari. But let's talk more about the F42. What do you guys think about a contemporary take on the F40? We could all dream of something like this. But with that said, this is crazy. What do you guys think though? Do you love it, hot or not? You like this thing, or do you think maybe it's not the best look to wear the F40 nameplate? I definitely want to know down in the comments below. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you give it a thumbs up, it helps get it up in the rankings, and then more people can see it. Then we can have a bigger discussion in the comments below on the F42 concept replacement for the Ferrari F40. Now, with that said, you can also check out the links down below in case you guys want to help further support the channel. I do have my Ron's Rides merch. All right, you can check that out, and you can get Ron's Rides t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, everything like that. Post it on social media, and I'll repost you guys on my Instagram story. You also have the one-time donation for the PayPal link. You guys can click there and donate $1 or $2 to the channel. You can also be a Patreon subscriber as well. And make sure you follow the Ron's Rides social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter. See what I'm up to. See every Ferrari, Maserati, Alfa Romeo, meme, video, pictures, everything that I'm sending out to you guys. And it doesn't always make it to the channel. Now, with that said, make sure you subscribe, click that notification bell so you can get these videos straight to your inbox. And guys, we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Be safe, be blessed, stay healthy, and we'll see you then. Peace.